Manual inspection of floating roof tanks is time-consuming, tedious, and dangerous. Overcome these challenges by onboarding the fully automated drone inspection solution from Energy Robotics. Drones fly automatically with no human interference and capture high-quality inspection data, reducing inspection time from over 8 manual hours to just 20 minutes. Operators can remotely execute automated drone flights without having to be on site, thanks to the game-changing beyond visual line-of-sight approval achieved by Energy Robotics in Germany. During automatic flights, drones reliably capture high-quality color and thermal images which are processed with advanced AI applications to deliver actionable insights such as water levels on the roof. It's that simple and cost-effective. Achieve return on investment within a year. Enable 360-degree automated inspections from the land and the air by managing a fleet of ground robots and drones on a single platform. Start automating your inspections today.